everybody, it's Princess House Patty coming at you, your independent consultant with Princess House. I wanted to come on and wish you all many happy holidays, Merry Christmas. It is Christmas week. Can you believe it? Unbelievable. But I don't even have the rest of my tree up. This is the start. That's how crazy it's been. Hi, Patty. But I wanted to remind you all about the things that are going on right now. First and foremost, did you know that I offer personalized gift certificates? I do. So if you don't want to sit in traffic doing last minute Christmas shopping, like I went to make some deliveries the other day over the weekend, and the Galleria Mall was atrocious, and there was another mall, a Woburn Mall, the parking was awful. It was just insane. Who wants to be in the malls right now? Nobody, okay? So I offer personalized gift certificates that you can give to people that they can go shopping with the new catalog that's coming out in January. Sneak peek. Yes, new catalogs are in, but no peeking now. Also, they're going to be closing down the warehouse to do inventory, and they're closing it down the 22nd, I think it is. So I am putting in the last order for that we can submit right now tomorrow, because they'll be closing down the warehouse to take inventory from the 22nd through January 3rd, I think it is. So we'll be still able to submit orders, but nothing's going to get shipped out till after January 3rd. So that means right now you can still order the amazing specials we're offering right now. No qualifying purchase required, plus our special December deals. You know, that 2-quart stainless steel for $49.95, the Heritage Bowl. Oh, and then this one's been a real favorite, the 7.5 strainer pot for $89. And hello, our air fryer for $199. What a deal, okay? And don't forget, for every $40 that you purchase, you get a surprise buy. A surprise buy. Do you remember about our surprise buys? How much fun they are? So every $40 that you buy, and if you go on princesshouse.com/plynch, under open parties, it says order here. You can place your order. So for every $40 that you buy, and it can be customer specials or regular specials, you qualify for a surprise buy that's going to retail anywhere from $24.95 all the way up to $184.95 of soon-to-be retired items or already retired items. Yes, we always love our surprise buys. If you've ever gotten a surprise buy, please let me know and share. All right, do you love the surprise buys? Can't go wrong, right? $11 and you never know what you're gonna get. And I have some hostesses who are so close to earning either their first key or their second key. All right, and don't forget, that key gets you into our hostess treasure box. So they extended the early bird for this week. So when you have a $350 party, you qualify for either the latte mugs, brand new, not even in the catalog, Marbella latte mugs, and the 4-in-1 immersion blender. Both of those for $29.95. You get one or the other, or both. Which one would you choose? The latte mugs or the 4-in-1 immersion blender? Yes, it can be a layaway, paid at 50% off, 50% paid, so that way you can get in on the treasure chest. If you like the specials right now and you don't need to get a treasure box key now, you can always put it on layaway at 25% to lock in the specials and get the sales for next year, okay? because these specials are great. And our hostess is not only that, but your hostess rewards, you are going to get double hostess credits, right? Then you get to choose either our pH Cook Solutions or the Fantasia Fresh 6-quart deep Baker and the other Fantasia Fresh containers, and not in the catalog. Yes, not in the catalog. It's red. I know I have some red peeps. It is the, I can't even forget what it's called. Yes, the red Healthy Portion Spatula comes in that one. Okay, that's the 550 level. And then the 750 level, you get to choose either the stand mixer or you get to choose the other pH Cook Solutions with the tools. Okay, so yes, we offer layaway, and you only have to put 25% down, and you can qualify for all the customer specials, including the surprise buys, every $40. All right, so I just wanted to hop on here, remind you about all the specials that are going on right now. I am going to be submitting my last party tomorrow, so that way they can be shipped out before the warehouse closes for a couple of weeks for them to do all their inventory. So if you're interested in any of it, let me know, or just place your order. I'll follow up with you later. You want to do your own party? I can set you up with your own link, and we can get that going for you too. And the first 5 people that decide to schedule their January party or February party, okay, is going to get an extra gift from me. You know I love to give away gifts, so make sure you contact me. It's a new catalog and new surprises to come. So who's going to be my first few host or hostesses for the new year and new catalog? I can't wait. And when you get your surprise buy, you'll definitely have to share what you got. I've been seeing some really cool tri-ply pots, some glasses, some berry soup mugs, and so much more. So, like I said, just wanted to hop on here, say hello, remind you about the specials that are ending and that I'm submitting my last order before the warehouse shuts down tomorrow. So everybody have a fantastic night, and remember that I believe in you and you should believe in yourself, and have a fantastic night. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.